Yo guys, here's a quick way to solve your Wi-Fi problems. If you have a room that doesn't receive Wi-Fi well and you tried mesh and extenders and all that other stuff and nothing works, try to get one of these. This is an excellent way to take your internet from one room and transfer it to the other using your electricity lines. Basically what you do, you take one of these little fellas, plug it into your outlet socket near your router, plug a LAN cable inside of it, and then take the other one and plug it in the other room where you want to receive the signal, and plug a LAN cable inside of it. Then you take that LAN cable and connect it to whatever you want, whether it's a computer or another router or whatever it is. It works like magic. It solves all your Wi-Fi issues. If you guys are having problems with that, this is the way to do it. Hope this helps. Make sure to like and share the video if it does. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Till next time, peace.